Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this text effect using animation effect in Capcut special for TV. Alright, so for example, you are just going to go to media and select white, black or PNG background. So for example, select PNG and add to the tree. And I'm just going to change for the color. Select canvas, select color, and select color you like. And after the tone, you are just going to select text and add all text. So you can change for the font, size, font, color. Alright, change for the text before. Change first font for the font style. And select animation and select blue. So you can find here's clicker shadow, but this is pro effect, and you have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. Thank you so much for watching.